You don't just stumble into a place like this. You arrive. Slowly, intentionally. Northern Italy has a way of easing you in before it shows you what it's really about. This is San Vigilio, built on land that's seen centuries come and go. Old farmlands that have been reshaped into something precise, controlled, and almost suspiciously perfect. The course is the main event. 27 holes designed by Kurt Rossknecht, which is a polite way of saying he carved a playground for people who take their leisure very seriously. You don't rush here. You take your time. You line it up, miss it, pretend you meant to do that, and then you do it again, but this time with better wine waiting at the end. The rooms are clean, quiet, no drama, which is exactly what you want after a long day chasing a small white ball through acres of very expensive grass. And then there's the food. Local ingredients, seasonal menus, and wine so good it makes you reconsider your return flight. There's a spa too. Of course there's a spa. Steam and water and silence, the kind of place where time stretches out and suddenly you're not checking your phone anymore. What you start to realize is that it isn't necessarily about golf, not really. It's about slowing down just enough to remember what you actually enjoy. And somewhere between the last swing and the last glass, you get it. Not everything needs to be rushed. Some places are better when you just let them unfold.